Okay, now that we have our eggplant peeled, we're going to cut this into slices. I'm going to show you how to do that. Sometimes you'll get, almost like the eyes of a potato, you'll get a part that you don't want in here, so just go ahead and take that right off. We're going to get plenty of rings out of this. So go ahead and set that aside. And then what we want to do is cut this into about 1/4-inch slices. Like this. You'll see there's seeds in there, there's no problem, they're very soft, and when they cook you won't even notice them. So just continue to cut all these uniform slices, uniform as you can, then that way they'll cook at the same time, almost like all the other veggies that we've gone over. And you're going to get some smaller ones, of course, at the end, up toward where the vine was attached, and that's fine too. These are all going to be laid out. We're going to show you how to do that.